How shall we interact with the scriptures?
My son, if thou wilt receive my words and hide my commandments with thee, so that thou incline thine ear unto wisdom, and apply thine heart to understanding, yea, if thou criest after knowledge, and liftest up thy voice for understanding, if thou seekest her as silver, and searchest for her as for hid treasures, then shalt thou understand the fear of the Lord, and find the knowledge of God.
If you search the Bible diligently and pay attention to the words that you hear, if you read and obey them, you'll receive wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. You'll be firmly rooted in your faith in Jesus, and nothing in this world will be able to shake you. I leave you today with a brief story Jesus told in Luke chapter 6. And why call ye me Lord, Lord, and do not the things which I say? Whosoever cometh to me, and heareth my sayings, and doeth them, I will show you to whom he is like. He is like a man which built an house, and digged deep, and laid the foundation on a rock. And when the flood arose, the stream beat vehemently upon that house, and could not shake it, for it was founded upon a rock. But he that heareth and doeth not is like a man that without a foundation built an house upon the earth, against which the stream did beat vehemently, and immediately it fell, and the ruin of that house was great. A house is only as strong as its foundation. When your foundation is in Jesus, the storms of this life may blow and wear on you, but you won't fall because Jesus has promised to keep you from it. If you knew that the foundation of your house was missing or cracking, compromised in some way, wouldn't you address that problem immediately? How much more should you do it if it's your life we're talking about? The cost of repairs is absolutely free. All you need to do is ask God to fix it and follow his instructions. Go ahead. Ask him right now. I promise you, you won't be disappointed.